Hello guys, just a little tip for you. If you have a hybrid system, you guys see the rain out there now. It's really a big rainstorm. And it started about 20 minutes ago. And when you have weather like this, at least around here, I think all places in countryside Thailand, when you have weather like this, the chance of a power cut is quite high. Probably over 80% that you're gonna have a power cut when it's this kind of wind and rain. So what I did, instead of waiting for the power cut to come from outside, I just pulled down the main. And what's the benefit of that? Well, the benefit is that you don't, what usually happens in same time as a power cut, you have a lot of voltage fluctuations. So you can have the voltage going very bad, you can have the power going off and coming back many times before it finally settles in the cut position. So instead of letting the system go through all of that with the UPS starting and then stopping, and I just pull the main, because now we're on the battery and it's working nicely. We're at 90%, so we have a lot of energy left. We're still having some PV, and because the way the system works, it can use the PV even though there's a power cut, because it's a closed circuit. We are not now connected to the outside, so there's no electricity that can go out to the grid. That's impossible. So it's only giving energy to the battery, and from the battery it's giving energy to the loads that we have assigned as essential. So that's like TV, internet. Right now we have 2 air conditions running in the kids' rooms, in the office room. So that's the best way, because then you don't have all these voltage fluctuations that can also destroy your appliances and other bad things that can happen with your supply. So this is a tip for everybody who has hybrid, that when you get the storm like this, just switch over to the UPS by yourself. So that's actually a much better way of doing it. And then when the storm is over, you just push the main back, and then if the power has not come back yet, so you can still run off the battery, but then most of the time it will be back or close to back. So that's a cool tip for you guys that have a lot of power cuts.